SimpliSafe versus the Ring Alarm, which home security system is right for you. So SimpliSafe is known for its easy setup, sleek design, and strong professional monitoring. It is great for people who want a dedicated system with no smart home clutter. So we'll see its offers right here. We have the shop packages. So the beacon starts one time full 36 $366, which the original price was $733. So it was like half. So I think it's just a summer sale, which includes 50% off with their prices. We also have the lighthouse, which you can see if you pay in full, it will be $240. We have the Haven, which is 266, and a lot more. Let's proceed to the alarm system or Ring Alarm. So Ring Alarm is owned by Amazon. It is perfect if you already use Alexa or Ring cameras. It is affordable starting at just $10 per month. So it works well with other smart home devices. So which one should you pick? You should choose SimpliSafe, of course, if you want a standalone, reliable security system with great support. Go with Ring Alarm if you want a smart home integration and lower monthly cost.